Always handle the printer with the equipment turned off and the power cable disconnected before working on any component. If you need to disconnect cables or tubes, take a photo before starting to ensure correct reconnection afterward. Always protect the environment and the printer. Wear gloves if you need to handle tubes, dampers, or any other component that contains ink, as it can be corrosive. Avoid contact between the ink and electronic components, as it may cause damage. Move the printhead carriage to the center. Remove the 4 screws and then remove the capping. Remove the ink tube. Replace the capping with a new one and reinsert the ink tube. Place the capping back in position and tighten the 4 screws again.